The other day, I do a video in my salon. I dance on the chair to one of Vybz Kartel's song. And the video went viral. And you were so upset. You were so upset and saying, oh, me come on internet and wind up to next artist song and you are my baby father. But come out and dance the Kartel song, me even remember you. And you start calling the whole place to talk about how my baby mother dance the Kartel song. All your family member them a tell me back. Anytime me and him talk, we talk for hours, long hours. Whether through the day or through the night. Marlon, never stop tell lies, stop paint a picture like me crazy over you. When you are the one that look me back after you and your wife mash up. And I beg me for come to New York for come live with you in your house. With your daughter and her sister. You are begging me.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and can see upon the screen, dancehall artist Kiprich singing gospel baby mother. Miss Chin is revealing a lot of things after he did his nightly fix interview with his new baby mother to be one Kizzy down, and boy oh boy oh boy oh boy, she is spilling the beans, my people. Not only she's saying that her baby daddy is broke and now have no clothes, using Kizzy for fortune and fame because she has the clothes. Boy oh boy oh boy oh boy, after him divorce him wife while they are in New York, him was begging her to come back and live with him, But the only thing is she never have no visa. And as you heard in the beginning, he wasn't a fan of her winding up herself to dance our King Vybz Kartel music, And she said she should have breathed first. So here one. Like and share the video from now and let's hear what go on for that to go on, you see me?
Carry my own clothes. Remember, say I'm bigger than my baby father. Remember, say my baby father don't have a song. My baby father don't have a career. I'm bigger than him. Me bigger than my baby father, right there, so me tell her this girl, let's say if me was a nobody, me could have just make one talk on the internet and it go viral. That's to show you how important me is. Right there, so you can send on a friend them come over here to come try distract me. Because I soon turn off the comments them. Because I don't feel like you can distract me for those type the things them. Make a sad mistake. Then if it could be you jump off of my live and jump in your mother, no be? Jump off of my live and jump in your mother. Simply no. One Kingmixup on the app. One Kingmixup on the app. Right there, so. One Kingmixup and never two. Yeah. I don't call no mother, father, uncle, brother, sister, auntie. Alright, so one address one look of something. One address one little something. And this is for the people them. First of all, my baby father, I can't say my fans. Because number one, him don't have no hit song. Nobody no remember him. He might use the little girl to get clothes. Yeah, I use the little girl. So, yeah, as what I say, I use for use. I use for use, because, yeah, I not stop a girl hustle. I not stop a girl hustle. Yeah, but one thing I want you to do for we, mama. You see the whole of the girl them we mess with, and you want to come be the karma for him. My sister use a smart girl. What you mean what kind of clothes the girl have? The girl have her look of fans them on Instagram, on TikTok. Him not no fans. One baby father I have. I just don't want to call him name. I just want to address something. I don't come for no war. And you see, anybody come over here with negativity, I just go block. Because Uno want to be a distraction, so me not talk when me need for talk. I remember me telling you this, uno can't silence me. Yeah? Uno can't silence me. Me I go forever make uno build fake page and come back. Uno idiot, you know, because guess what? Uno want the mix up. Uno want the tea. Uno want the coffee. But when uno come, uno make trouble. I mean, just go black, uno. You come for the mix up, you shut your mouth and be quiet. The man don't have a hit song, that me I talk about. The man don't have a hit song. Big up Shana K. And big up Blingers Official. Now I'm ready for start talk. Throughout the years, there's a lot of things with me own. Throughout the years, there's a lot of things on my own. And even though people that are on the internet have bashed me and I say, oh, she delusional and this and that, a lot of things me don't talk. A lot of things me don't talk. So now, I tell him say he can't address me now. Now him go on the nightly fix, or them name change to the fix. Him go on narrow show. Air show, and instead of them ask you what your baby mother go on with, and instead of you just say bypass that, me no want to talk about she, or me and she left, or just say something to make them just say you not disclose nothing about she. Instead of you just talk, you understand, and just don't say nothing about me. Instead of just ignoring what the man say completely. Here what you gonna say now. First of all, you lie. Let's talk about the lie first. Because there's a lot of things that I don't want to leave out nothing. So I have to make sure I write it down. That's not my daughter, but my daughter is still beautiful and so is her sister. Yes, so anyways, let me stop reading the comments because no one can distract me. I know they send you over here to come distract me. Now go work today. Guys, where was I? So throughout the years, this man painted a picture like, you know, me I drool over him and me delusional, and him are the one who paint the picture to people. But behind the scenes, him not talk. Alright. Me hear Naro ask him a question and say, your baby mother go on with a bag of things on the internet, whatever. Have you seen them? Him say no, which is a lie. Because since the video went viral, he sent a text message. It may have somebody close by, mother make una see the message. He sent a message from his Instagram to my relative, and me see the message. Decides me I go ignore. So I'm telling Naro lies. Him never see the message. Him never see the things that I go on the internet. That's the first lie where him tell right there. So I'm saying him don't see the thing them on the internet, which him no lie because him sent my family a text message to send to me. Come I block him over my WhatsApp. I blocked him. First lie I tell. You send a message to my phone and then you go up and narrow the fix show and I tell lie, so you don't see the thing them on the internet. No, you also come and you say it's been 20 years. First of all, my daughter is 20 and it takes 9 months to carry a child into this world. And me and you did the same way after with daughter born. So when you go come on internet and I tell lie and I say it's 20 years and you know people will know when to give a break. Alright, recently, in recent times, because you say 20 years we left. That's what you say. You tell lies and then you believe them. So I know there's something wrong with you. You can't tell lie and believe your own lie them. Something not right. Anyways, so number one, you go on narrow show and you tell lie, so you don't see the things them on the internet when you send my family a message to give to me. Right? And that is when I started to write comments and I say, you can't come out, come address me. Now the 20 years part where you come out is a lie. Because me and you they right through my pregnancy, and after my baby born, me and you still did there until you start your foolishness. So the 20 years where you come with, bro, you're too lie. You're really too lie. Right? So let me get to the meat of the matter. You see, 20 years me and you left. It's just what year you and your wife break up. And when you and your wife break up, you call me from New York saying if I have a visa. If me not get my visa yet, because you want me to come to New York, come and live with you and my daughter and her sister. You say you and the wife mash up. Me know say you move out of the house. You and the two people them live, which is my daughter and her sister. And you called me all the way to Jamaica. Remember, this is not 20 years ago. This is recently since you and your wife break up. You called me and you're telling me that you need a mother figure in your house to take care of you and your girls, or our daughter and our sister. You tell me that. So you need me to come to New York, come live with you in your house, because our daughter and our sister needed a mother figure. That is not 20 years ago. Is it 20 years ago? No, not 20 years ago. That's recently. Now, if you come out and tell the people them say every time I deal with a man, you try to mash up my relationship with them. You try to mash up my life with every man where you hear say me deal with. Every man where you hear say me deal with, you try to mash up me and them relationship. You don't want me with nobody. You don't want me have nobody. You don't want me move on. And yet still you paint a picture to people like me delusional. I'm crazy over you. The other day I do a video in my salon. I dance on the chair to one of Vybz Kartel's song. And the video went viral. And you were so upset. You were so upset and saying, oh, me come on internet and wind up to next artist song and you are my baby father. But come out and I dance the Kartel song, me don't even remember you. And you start calling the whole place and talk about how my baby mother dance the Kartel song. All your family member them a tell me back. Anytime me and him talk, we talk for hours, long hours. Whether through the day or through the night. Marlon, if you stop tell lies, stop paint a picture like me crazy over you. When you are the one that look me back after you and your wife mash up. And I beg me for come to New York, for come live with you in your house. With your daughter and her sister. You are begging me. Alright. Talk about the time when you call your artist brethren and call the man friend who is also an ex-artist and you have them have your pan 3 way and you ask the man if he man your baby mother there. This man don't want me move on with my life. This man don't want me be with nobody. And you see before me and him left, him tell me say, when me and him left, any day I think say me can left him, me must know say him go still have sex with me. I don't know why me can step on the live. Him say me and him have to go still do the things them when me and him left. And I say no, once me and him left you can't come back on top of me. Him go as far if you tell people about oh me not breed yet because of him me a wait pan. Talk about when me and the Rasta artist there. And you send man God the Bobo Dread Yard. Go call out the man baby mother. And tell the baby mother say a Kiprich baby mother. A Kiprich baby mother. Your man are there with. Every man where this man here say me there with him try and mash up my life. But because I lock my mouth and I keep quiet and I make people continue to talk, you realize me not pay what people say no mind. But when you come out, come talk now and I talk about at 20 years with a enough thinking self. That is now when me gonna address you and say, Marlon, what day you look me back and I beg me for come and you come living in your house. All along when people see me I promote a song, they don't know say me and you talk for hours per day or night. They don't know this. Because you keep silent and make it seem as if I'm me over there so crazy over you and that's why I promote your music. And I said the girl not special because anybody, you can be anybody be able father. Because if the dog give you some crutches right now, you take it and breed the dog. Stop walk and tell lie on me. Stop walk and tell lie on me, please and thank you. Stop walk and tell lie on me. A one man me love, one dege man, one the art here. First of all, you know hear the woman come and say, when Naro ask her, are you tell the man to stay in the don't and not pull out? And she say, what she say? I didn't even know it was in there. She didn't even know that he was in there. You can see the shame on his face, me dear. Me no miss that teeny tiny tot there. I tell you, my baby father, I have little looks him can dress. And him no mean. But guess what? You see down there, so him not have down there, so. So I'm have to use him money for makeup. And maybe him do other things for make up feet. Because you can't waste it, maybe you have to face it. Right there, so. And the woman I try fix back what she's saying and can't fix back. Now I try help her and I say, you mean the day in one different world? And she say, she'll repeat back herself like she say, Jano, I'm tired. She say, I didn't even know it was in there. Me dear, me never know say some man teapot did small until me go take next man. So boy have to use him money or him use him for makeup. Money or somebody say call me chin pastor. No, him new name is Teeny Tiny Tot. Him new name is Teapot. Him new name is Nothing Never Here.
Listen me, I miss Chin this. All who never want to see Miss Chin, come do music.
Him new name is Nothing. Nothing at all never in the woman. The woman even know when she breed. And nothing at all never in there. Me dear. Then I will use breeder. Mouth water. Me dear. So him new name is Teeny Tiny Tot or Tiny Tot or Teapot. No more Kiprich. Tiny Tot. Right there so. That never reach average. That less than average. The man have an Indian thing. A full Indian thing him have. And that's when the woman says so the place mash up. And she can't fix it back because she know in herself say nothing now go on down there so the truth she attack. She know say nothing now go on down there so nothing now go on for Kiprich but there. Nyam him out, my girl, nyam him out. Nyam him out. Nyam him out. Oh, me breed, me did younger in love like she. You know me say I should have Vybz Kartel me make breed me. I should have Vybz Kartel me make breed me. I should have world boss. Me give it to Shumpeng and make him breed me. I should have make Kiprich breed me. I should have make a whole heap of picnic Kiprich have. Or if you say him don't have a son. Or if you say him don't have a son. Eh, no wicked. And that's why I say I'm not reading no comments. I go turn off for no comments. Because you know wicked. You know stop tell lie on him. Him say him don't have a son. He have 8 kids. Hey, you wish I 8 kids him have. Breeding can't cause this cause whole heap of pitney baby. You know hear the man say him not ready for done yet. She may want a son because she thinks him don't have a son. She only probably say the whole of the daughters them. But yes, him have a son. He does have a son. I'm going to tell you when that son came in. That son came in when he was with his wife. When he married and lived in a house with his wife. That's when the son came in. So Marlon, stop what I can tell people about. Stop what I can tell people about me and you left for 20 years. No matter how much years me and you left, you still a beg me for the back with you. You still a beg me for come live with you in New York. You still a beg me. We even did that talk about me having more kids. I mean, I said no. No, not for you. We even talk about having a son. Not for you. Sir, I say I run, me run left you. Take up my 2 and them. And me run. Nyam me mouth, young lady, nyam me mouth. Nyam out what's left. Remember him now, it's song, you know. Nyam me mouth, make sure send a 1 house your bill. And make sure say you get the things them in your name.
Yeah, it's a lot, but people remember say them say Kiprich grab her when she did young, you know. So you know them thing go, you know, 20 years, you see me. But we just give them quick updates, so do the right thing. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because you know so we dropped them updates around the clock, you know. You see me, I say, so you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.